Good morning students. In last class we were solving exercise 1.2. In today's class we are going to continue that. So the here problem tells us that a student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. What a student had done? He has to multiply 7236 into 56. But by mistake I think so he has multiplied 7236 into 65. Okay. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? What they are given? By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Definitely this answer will be given, no? By how much this answer is greater than the correct answer they have told. Now students, what you will think? We have to multiply these two. Okay, you'll get one answer. Afterwards 7236 into 65. We will get one more answer. We will do subtraction. But that will be a lengthy procedure. Yes. But we can do in a simple way. Okay. See that how to do. See a solution. A student multiplied 7236 by 65. Instead of what? Instead of multiplying by 56. Okay. Difference between the two multiplication. Difference between the two multiplication is equal to, see, he has multiplied by 65 instead of what? 56. You do subtraction into what? 7236. If you do this, you will get answer in a very easy way. What is 65 minus 56? It is 9. 9 into 7236. Now we will multiply this. 7236 into 9. 9 6 are 54. 9 3s are 27. It will become 27 plus 5 is 32. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 2 is 65. What the answer we got? 65,124. Okay. What we can write? Hence the answer greater than the correct answer is 65,124. If you also do the same mistake, you can do in a very easy manner. Okay, you take the difference and multiply the whatever they have given the number for you. Now we will see the next question. So now see the 10th question. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. Okay. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? See, they are given weight of one box, that is 4 kg 500 gram. Say maximum weight, the maximum weight, okay, we can load in a van is 800 kg. Okay. They have told how many such boxes can be loaded in a van. How many boxes we can load in a van they have asked. See a solution. What they have given? Weight of one box. Weight of one box. What they have given? 4 kg 500 gram. This we will convert into a gram. Here 2 units are there, will convert into a 1 unit. So 1 kg is nothing but 1000 gram. 4 kg is nothing but 4000 gram plus 500 gram. What is the answer will come here? 4500 gram. Okay, next here. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? See, a maximum weight can be loaded in a van. What is the maximum weight they have given? Loaded in a van is equal to 800 kg. This also we convert into a grams. So 1 kg is 1000 gram. Okay, 800 kg is nothing but what to do here? 800 into 1000 gram will become 8 lakh gram. Okay, maximum weight can be loaded in a van is 8 lakh gram. Okay, now we'll see how many boxes can be loaded in a van then. How many boxes? What are the number of boxes we can load in a van? Hence number of boxes can be loaded in a van. Now what we have to do? Definitely we have to do a division. What is that? 8 lakh divided by 4500. Okay, do the division here. 4500, 8 lakh. Now see, 4500 ones is 4500. Okay, now we'll see what is 4500 twos are. 2 zeros are 0, 2 0, 5 twos are 10, 4 twos are 8, 9. It will become a very big number. What will take? 4500 ones are 4500. Do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. Here it will become 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, now this is very small number. We will take one number, it is 0. Now it will become 35,000. Now we will see 4508 is how much? 800, 800, 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32, 36. This is so big number, no? See here it is 36,000. We want 35,000. We will check for 4500 sevens are 7 0 0, 7 0 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31. So this is okay, right? 4500 sevens are is 31,500. Now see, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now see again this is coming 3500. Okay, what we are getting? 3500. It is so small, no, compared to this number. Now again, now it will become 35,000. We are done earlier. 4500 sevens is 31,500. Now what we will do? 0 0 subtraction here. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. What we can tell? 177 boxes can be loaded in a what? Van. 177 boxes can be loaded in a van. Okay, write down hence the number of boxes can be loaded in a van. Loaded in a van is equal to 177. Okay. Say students, if you are feeling this as a very lengthy, what you can do? You can cancel the zeros. See here, 4500. You can cancel the zero like this also, and you can divide 45, and this will become 8000. You can do like this also. Okay, both are same. If you don't know any cancellations at all, means you go for this. Okay, next we will see the next question. See the 12th question. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliters of curd. Okay, a vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. Okay, in how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? See here, one we have a vessel. Okay, in this vessel we have 4 liter. Okay, we have 4 liter 500 milliliter of curd. Okay, we have curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? Suppose in 25 ml, okay, suppose the capacity of one glass is 25 ml. In how many glasses we can pour this curd, okay, in how many glasses we can fill the curd of capacity 25 ml. Okay, now see here, solution. Quantity, how much curd was there in a vessel? Quantity of curd in a vessel. What is the quantity of curd in a vessel? It is 4 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, now see, we will convert in 1 unit. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 4 liter is equal to 4000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. It will become 4500 milliliter. Okay, what they are asking now? Now total we have 4500 milliliter curd is there in this vessel. Okay, in small glasses of 25 ml. Okay, the capacity of this glass is 25 ml. In how many glasses we can fill this curd of 25 ml capacities? In how many glasses we can fill this curd? Okay, now see here, capacity of 1 glass is equal to, what is that given? 25 milliliter. Now see here, therefore number of glasses, therefore number of glasses each of 25 ml, capacity can it filled is equal to, what we have to do, students? It is nothing but we have to do here division. Yes or no? See here, 4,500 divided by 25. Okay, do the division. 25 is 25, 25 2s is 50. This will be so big, right? We'll do 25 is 25. 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we will take, now see, 25 2s is 50. 25 3s are, what is 25 3s is 125, right? 25 3s is 5 3s are 15, 3 2 is 6, 7. Now see here, students, we will do 4,500 divided by 25. What it will become? 25 4,500. Okay. Now see here, 25 ones are 25. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 20 is so smaller, right? We will take 0. Now we will see what is 25 5s are. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 125. We will see 25 8s are 8 5s are is 40. 8 2s are 16, 20. It is nothing but 25 8s are, right? It is nothing but 180. Yes or no? What we can write? Dave is here, answer is 180 glasses. We can fill it in how many glasses? In 180 glasses. Therefore, number of glasses is equal to 180. Okay. Now we will see the next concept of estimation. Now see, student, the next concept is estimation. We will see what is this estimation. Now I will ask you one question. Suppose you have organized a big party. Okay. So in that party, so many members will come. Yes or no? So many members will come because you are organized in a very big manner. Next day, if I ask you how many members were present in that party, will you tell exactly how many members came? No, it is not possible. Yes or no? How many members came exactly, how you can tell? It is not possible. What do you tell at that time? You will tell it may be 1,000, right? It may be 900. You will use a word, it may be, or around 1,000 members came. Yes, you are using the word about 1,000 member came or around 900 members came. You are not telling exactly, right? Whatever you are telling approximately, not exact you are telling, right? That is nothing but a estimation. Okay. What is estimation? Estimation means approximating a quantity to the desired accuracy. We are telling answer in such a way that it will be nearer, but it is not exact. The answer will be a nearer. 1,000 means I think so 900, 800 people may be present in your function. Okay. But we can't judge exactly. Yes or no? That is a approximate we can tell. Here estimation means approximating a quantity to the desired accuracy. Now see here, estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. Now I will ask one question. Now here tell me, find which flags are closer to 260. Here 260 is there, no? For 260, which flag is closer? Definitely your answer may be 261. For 260, which flag is closer? 261. Yes or no? 261 flag is closer to 260. Now, if I ask you one more question, find the flags which are closer to 270. For 270, which flags are closer? 269, right? First flag which is nearer to 270 is 269. Okay, next we will go for the next one here. Again I am asking your questions here. 17, right? Here 17 is there. This 17 flag is nearer to 20 or 10. Here 17 flag, okay? Here 17 is there. This 17 is nearer to 10 or 20. Tell me, it is nearer to 10 or 20. Definitely your answer will be 20 only, because the difference between 17 and 20 is only 3. Here the difference is very small compared to the difference of 10 and 70. Yes or no? Again if I ask question, here 13 is nearer to 10 or 20. If I ask you 13 is nearer to 10 or 20, your answer will be 13 is nearer to 10, because what is the reason? Because here the difference between this is very less compared to 20. Now, what is your estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off means? See here students, here 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers we are rounding off to 0. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers we are rounding off to 10. Okay. Estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. In this 1, 2, 3, 4. We are rounding these numbers to 0. 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are rounding off to 0. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This we are rounding off to 0. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. These we are rounding off to 10, because 6, 7, 8, 9 are very close to 10. But 1, 2, 3, 4 are very far. Okay. Very far from 10. What we will do? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are nearer to 0. That's why we will estimate to 0. And the number 6, 7, 8, 9 are very close to 10. Okay. That's why we will round off to 10. Okay. Now we will see some examples or problems here. Take down problems. Round these numbers. Round these numbers to the nearest tens. 28, 32, 52, 41, 39, 48, 64, 59, 99, 215, 1453 and 2936. So I will see the solution. What they will round this number to the nearest tens. Okay. So 28 nearest tens. 28 will lie between 20 and 30. 28 is nearer to 30. We will round off this. Next 32. 32 will lie between 30 and 40. 32 is very nearer to 30. Yes or no? 52. 52 will lies between 50 and 60. 52 is very close to 50. Next see 41. 41 is 41. So 41 is there, right? 41 is lies between 40 and 50. 41 is nearer to 40. 39. What about 39? 39 will lies between 30 and 40. It is very nearer to 40. 48. Next one is 48. 48 is nearer to 50. 64 is nearer to what? 64 is nearer to 60. 59. 59 is nearer to 60. What about 99? 99 is nearer to 90 or 100? It is 100. 215. They told to estimate to the nearest tens. 215 will lie between 210 and 220. Say 215, we have to round off to 220 only. Next see 1453. Next they are given 1453. 1453 will lies between 1450 and 1460. It is nearer to where? 1450. Next 2936. Nearest tens they are told, right? 2936 will lies between 2930 and 2940. It is very nearer to 2914. Okay, this is nothing but the estimating to the nearest tens. Okay, next we will see estimating to the nearest hundreds. The next one is the estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. Now see a student. Now I will ask you 411 is nearer to what? 410 or 420? It is nearer to where? Sorry, it should be 411 is nearer to, we are doing 400s. 411 is nearer to 400 or 500? Definitely your answer will be 411 is nearer to 400. Now 889 is nearer to 800 or 900? It is nearer to 900. Now see here. Now see students, numbers 1 to 49 are nearer to what? 1 to 49 are nearer to 0. Yes or no? Are nearer to 0. Are nearer to 0. So we estimate these numbers to 0. Okay. Now 51 to 99 numbers are very close to what? 100, are very close to 100. That's why 51 to 29 numbers we will round off to 100. Then what about 50? 50 is equidistant from 0 and 100. But in practice 50 we will round off to 100 only. Understood? In this we are going to estimate. Okay. Say round these numbers to the nearest hundreds. Okay, see solution. First one, 841 is nearer to 800 or 900? It is nearer to 800. Second one, 2546. Okay, now see here. We have to estimate these two hundreds. Now see here, 2546 is nearer to 2500 or 2600. It is nearer to 2500. We'll see third one. See, 168 is nearer to 100 or 200. It is nearer to 200. Therefore, we will round off to 200. Fourth one, 9537. 9537. This we have to estimate to 100. 9537 is nearer to 9500 or 9600. It is nearer to 9500. Now see here, fifth one, 9870 is nearer to 9800 or 9900. It is nearer to 9900. 149 is nearer to 100 or 200. It is nearer to 100. Okay. Next we will see estimating to the nearest thousands. So next one is estimating to the nearest thousands by rounding off. Now see students, I will ask you a question. 1 to 499. Okay, 1 to 499 numbers are very near to what? Next, 501 to 999 are very close to. 1 to 499 are very close to 0. Therefore, we will estimate these two, will round off to 0. 501 to 999 are very nearer to 1000. Therefore, we will round off these numbers to 1000. Okay. For this also we will see all the examples. See the round off these numbers to the nearest thousands. As here 2573. Second one 6404. Third one 7805. Fourth one 3499. Fifth one is 65,437. Sixth one 53,552. Now see, these numbers are nearer to what? I think so you got the answer. Now see, 2,573 is nearer to 2,000 or 3,000. It is nearer to 3,000. Second one, 6,404 is nearer to 6,000 or 7,000. It is nearer to 6,000. Third one, 7,805 is nearer to 7,000 or 8,000. It is nearer to 7,000. Fourth one, see, 3,499 is nearer to 3,000 or 4,000. It is nearer to 3,000. Fifth one, 65,437. 65,437 is nearer to 60,000 or 70,000. It is nearer to 70,000. Next, sixth one, 53,552. Now tell me, is this number is nearer to 50,000 or 60,000? It is nearer to 50,000. Okay, therefore we will estimate this to 50,000. Okay, see, in next class we are going to see more concept on estimation. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.